Hey everyone, have you been struggling to get a good night's sleep lately? You're not alone. Many people face this issue and it can be incredibly frustrating. Today I'm diving into some expert tips to help you improve your sleep quality. These tips are simple yet effective and they can make a big difference in how well you sleep. Let's get right into it. First up, establish a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can work wonders for your circadian rhythm. Your body has an internal clock that thrives on consistency. Your body loves routine and this consistency helps to reinforce your sleep-wake cycle. Next, create a relaxing bedtime routine. This routine should be something that helps you unwind and signals to your body that it's time to sleep. This could be anything from taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music, or practicing some light yoga. Gentle stretches can help relax your muscles and prepare your body for rest. The goal here is to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Dimming the lights and using calming scents like lavender can also be very effective. Now let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. The ideal temperature for sleep is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Invest in some blackout curtains and a white noise machine if you need to. These can help block out light and noise that might disturb your sleep. And don't forget about your mattress and pillows. They should be comfortable and supportive. If you wake up with aches and pains, it might be time for a new mattress. Another big one is limiting screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your sleep. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. This makes it harder to fall asleep. Try to turn off those screens at least an hour before you plan to sleep. Instead, engage in relaxing activities like reading or listening to music. Diet plays a role too. What you eat and drink can affect your sleep. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're a bit hungry, something that won't upset your stomach. Something like a banana or a handful of almonds can be great choices. These foods contain nutrients that can help promote sleep. And exercise. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. Exercise is a great way to tire out your body and prepare it for rest. Just make sure you're not exercising too close to bedtime as it might keep you awake. Lastly, manage your stress. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness can help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. These practices can calm your mind and prepare you for a restful night. Even writing down your thoughts in a journal before bed can be a great way to clear your mind. This can help you let go of any worries and relax. So there you have it, folks. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. By making these small changes, you can significantly improve your sleep quality and overall health. Remember, good sleep is essential for a healthy life. Remember, good sleep is just as important as nutrition and exercise. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Sweet dreams.